people think that like, oh, the judge decides everything. Now, granted, you can have a bench trial where the judge is trying the fact too. But the most common scenario is you have a judge who's trying the law, and you have a jury that's trying the fact. So there's a fundamental difference between criminal law and civil law. And it comes down to the burden of proof that you need to prove your claim. In civil court, right, if you're the plaintiff, you need to convince a jury by a preponderance of the evidence that the other party is at fault. And that's a simple majority, right? If a majority of the jurors agree with you, if you are 51% in the right, then the jury has sided with your lawyers and your case. Different from criminal court. In a criminal trial, right, you've got to prove that somebody is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And you think about the public policy reasons for that. Civil trials deal with money, whereas a criminal trial, we're talking about taking away somebody's freedom, right? And we're saying there's a higher standard, and that if you're in criminal court, it's got to be beyond a reasonable doubt. The entire jury needs to agree that you are to blame for this crime. And so very big difference between the two.